scheduled tribes is basically is indigenous people. Their main source of food was forest and then agricultural land. Plants, they have knowledge on how to use, when to use, why to use, and then when that plant is ready to use.
It's come to the rainy time, the fruit, red color, is called elephant apple. Anne soppu is called gaddi soppu.
Starting from small herbs, small plants to tree, completely dependent on these plants for their food. So they have little, very 1 acre, 2 acres of land. They are very lightly shy people. They have small agriculture, they have cattle, some family have goats. So they have been brought up in a forest and then living there. They are not exposed to any modern world. No, they are very much dependent on these plants for a long time. They use older leaves and they make different recipe out of that. This new generation are not at all interested to learn whatever older generation has knowledge. Now actually everything is changing because of all modern facilities, developments. For a long time they have been neglected. So where can we help them? What they need.
Push!